Hello friends, in today's question, a man can just push a box at 37-degree slope. When he keeps it at the point where it increases to 53 degree, he can just hold it from sliding back. If the coefficient of friction between the box and the slope is mu, find 1 upon mu. Assume that man is applying same magnitude of force along the tangent to the curve only. So these are the two positions. Let us call this as position A and this is position B. Position A, the angle of A is at 37 degree and B is having 53 degree. So let us draw the free body diagram for point A, then for point B. Say for point A. So in the downward direction we are going to have mg and this will be our 37. So there are two components. This will be mg cos of 37 and in this direction it will be mg sine of 37, and in the upward direction a force F is being applied. So we can write this equation as F is equal to mg sine of 37. Let this be equation 1, and let's plot free body diagram for point B. For point B, this is for A, B. In the downward direction we are going to have mg. This will be our 53 now. So we are going to have mg cos of 53. This will be our mg sine of 53, and the force of friction will be also there. So let us call that FRB, and we have a force F that is being applied on it, and this is normal N. So here we can write the equation as F is equal to mg sine of 53 minus of FR and from here we can say, sorry, this is FRB. So FRB will be equal to mg sine 53 minus F, and it is said that applied force is same, so we can substitute value of force from equation 1 in equation 2. So using equation 1 in equation 2 we get, and FRB we can write as mu normal, which will be equal to mg sine of 53 minus mg sine of 37, and normal is equal to mg cos of 53. Substitute value, so we get mu is equal to mg common, so we get this as sine of 53 minus sine of 37 divided by mg cos of 53. Mg cancels out and we have sine of 53 is our 4 by 5, 37 is 3 by 5, and cos of 53 is our I think it will be 3 by 5. So this will be coming equal to as 1 upon 3, and we are supposed to find out 1 upon mu. So from here we can say 1 upon mu is equal to 3. This completes the question. Thank you.